Okay, you guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together a pillow box. This is an oldie but a goodie. And I've got both of you guys going here. Let's see if we can make it so that you guys are looking at the exact same thing. Okay, a couple of things as we're kind of getting started here. The first one is that the lighting's a little weird and crazy, and I have an extra shelf. Don't mind that. Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put together this pillow box, but the reason I'm showing it to you guys today is because this is what went out as the freebie today. And when I say went out, I mean it's going out a little bit later today, because I knew there were going to be people who saw this video and were like, wait, how do I get that for free? It's part of my 12 days of Christmas, you guys. So I have 12 days of Christmas of freebies going out to all of the people who are on my Silhouette VIP list. So in order to join that list, all you have to do is click on my profile link and hit join VIP, and then choose the Silhouette VIP, okay? And you will get the 12 days of Christmas. I'm doing it for courses and I'm doing it for fabric as well. So if you are one of those rare birds who is like loving all the courses and wanting to learn Illustrator and InDesign and all that other good stuff and want some design stuff, then sign up for the 12 days of Christmas for that. If you are one of the people who loves fabric and you're a sewing enthusiast, you can sign up for the fabric VIP. We are on day 5 today, so you're not going to get days 1 through 4. Eventually, maybe I will send those out as freebies at another point, but you will get day 5, which is this pillow box that I'm going to put together with you guys right now. So this is an alphabet pillow box. So I actually have cut out, can you see it? It is very tiny, just a J. But the entire alphabet is there. It's super clean, so it's really easy to cut on your Silhouette machine. I just cut this out like 2 seconds ago, so it's super fast. All right, you guys ready for this? Let's make a pillow box. So the lines, the score lines on this, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. They are, they're like in a circle. So when you are folding, the first fold is probably the one in half. Will probably be your easiest, right? And then your tab on the end. So you can see where this pillow box is going to meet. So I would actually recommend, before you even score anything else, okay, I would go ahead and hot glue your tab right here, fold it in, hopefully you can see this, and then glue it into place, okay? Not getting quite as close for you Instagram people, but hopefully you can see that, okay? So that is the core of any kind of pillow box, okay? All right, so then for the other sides, this is pretty simple. All you're going to do is fold down. Okay, so you see this piece right here. Let's see if I can fold it towards you guys. But you're just going to push it down so that it's on those score lines, and you can see that it's got a rounded edge right there. So that's what you're going to see folded into place. And then on the other side, hi guys, thanks for joining me, is just fold this other edge, okay? If you're just joining me, this is the freebie today in my 12 days of Christmas. It's day 5. There's still time to join today to get day 5, because this is not going out till 5 p.m. tonight. So if you want to join, just make sure and go to my website and click on VIP, or you can click on my profile link on Instagram. Okay, so then just fold the other side like that. And this particular one you can make bigger if you hold down your shift key. If you're in the Silhouette software, if you hold down your shift key, then all you have to do is pull the whole thing and you can make it much larger. So this one's actually quite small, and I think it's probably a little bit small for a gift card, but if you wanted to do a gift card in one of these, I would really recommend sizing up a bit. Okay, and then it comes with a really cute cutout that we are just going to glue right onto the front. And you know, usually you guys know I love stick glue. I love stick glue. But I think for things like this that are meant to be kind of handled, I really, really recommend hot glue. It just stays a little bit better, okay? There we go, is that. And then same thing with your J, which might be turned around for you. But I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of this J. And usually I would use stick glue, but especially because I'm doing it for you guys right now, I'm using hot glue because I want it to stay. Let's see if I can put it on while I'm looking at you guys. Okay, so looks a little bit off to me, but we're just going to leave it because I was doing it toward you guys instead of paying attention. Okay, so this is today's VIP silhouette freebie. It's just a fun, easy one. It probably took me 2 minutes to cut out because it's only 3 pieces of paper. So if you want this, make sure and join the Silhouette VIP. It's going out at 5 today, and then after that you won't be able to get it. But if you join the VIP, you'll get the last 6 days of Christmas. Today's day 5, so you'd get tomorrow and then so forth. And then starting in the new year, I will start doing a freebie every single week. So, and we'll probably do a live video showing you how to put it together. So should be pretty fun. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Last but not least, registration is still going on right now for Silhouette Designer Masterclass. It ends next Tuesday. So if you want to be part of that class, which I only open up 1 time a year, it's a small group and you get a lot of one-on-one help from me. We do Q&As, we do live videos. And so if you're wanting to learn how to design your own files in Illustrator and then put them in the Silhouette software, that is the class for you, okay? So I hope to see you guys there. And I will probably do a live video at some point showing you some of the projects we do in the Silhouette Master class. It is a really fun class. It starts in January, but registration ends next week. All right, see you guys.